What's up, everybody? It's your Sunny Fit coach, Ashley here. We have a 15-minute cardio kickboxing workout lined up for you today. I will see you there. All right, everybody, let's get started. But before we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you stay up to date on all of our fun workouts. All right, let's get started. We're gonna start with the warm-up first. So let's just go ahead and take a nice deep squat. Inhale those arms overhead and get nice and deep. You can make those feet as wide as you'd like. Get those legs warm and ready. Circle those arms overhead. Take up all that space around you. Good, you guys. Good. So we're gonna work on some combos today. Some quick, simple combos. We'll throw some kicks and some knees in there as well. And we'll have a fun little finisher exercise at the end. So get ready to get pumped. Feeling feisty, feeling confident. Good. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me some jumping jacks right here. Light on those feet. 4, 3. Now we're gonna scissor legs, 2 and 1 right here. Just scissor the legs. Arms in opposition. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks. Good. 2, 1 to those jacks. Or sorry, to those scissors. Good. Light on those toes. Light on those toes. Don't let those heels drop. 2 and 1. Scissor. Light on those toes. Last time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Scissor. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna shuffle to the right. Shuffle to the right. Shuffle to the left. Nice and light on those feet. Light on those feet. Good. Staying low, keeping those knees bent. Feeling the inside of those legs warming up. Feeling those calves burning, those hamstrings a little bit. Good. We're gonna take it to a pop squat right here. Down, feet together at the top. Good, chest is up as high as you can keep it. That's it, you guys. 2 and 1, back to those scissors right here. Good, light on those toes. Let's shuffle to the right and add some scissors right here. Shuffle, scissor, 2, 1, shuffle, scissor. Good, here we go. Shuffle, scissors. Should feel that heart rate coming up, shuffle. Good. One more time, each direction, to the right. Good, to the left. Good. Good, okay, let's get those legs nice and stretched out. So you're gonna do 2 steps, 1, 2, kick that foot as high as you can get it, step back. 1, 2, kick forward, step back. 1, 2. So the point of this guy is to really get those hamstrings warmed up, get those hip flexors ready to move. Good, 1, 2, pop. 1, 2, good. All right, let's do one more time, each leg right here. Right leg first, step it back, good. 1, 2, excellent, good. Give me those scissors, one more time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's give me some rolls right here. Roll, so we do rolls to get out of the way of someone's hook. All right, so someone's coming at you, you get under that punch. You get away from it. Good, so we're basically just squatting here, right? But working the core as well, working the technique, working the strategy. Good, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, okay, all right. Feeling warm? Feeling ready? Okay. We're gonna start with those punches, just intro of the punches, right? If you've done boxing before, you know it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, also known as a jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Whatever, the leg that's in front is gonna be the opposite of your dominant arm. So if you're right-handed, left leg is in front. You can do whichever you'd like. If you wanna stay neutral, you can do that too. I'm gonna stick with my left leg in front. That's what's most comfortable for me. So that means whatever leg's in front, that's the first punch you throw. Jab, right here. Rock back and forth on those feet. Jab, jab. There we go, here we go, jab. Let's do a jab cross. So 1, 2. Now notice my hip in the back. We go 1, 2. That back foot pivots inward. Hop back and forth, here we go. 1, 2. That's it, good, you guys. Hopping on those feet nice and light. Here we go, 1, 2. Last rep on this guy, here we go, 1, 2. Go ahead and let's add that 3, 4. So right now, just 3, 4 on its own. 3, 4, again, notice the hips. Pivot that front foot, Pivot that back foot, shoot from the hip. I always say shoot from the hip. Okay, let in those feet. Pop, pop, good. Let in those feet, let in those feet. Let's just rock back and forth. Here we go. Hook, uppercut. Nice, let's go. Hook, uppercut. You got this, guys. Here we go. Hook, uppercut. And when you do that hook, the point is to kind of lean back and get out of the way as well. In case there's a punch coming towards you, you can get away from it too. Here we go. Hook, uppercut. Rocking, let's go. Hook, up. Nice strong arms, feel that resistance. So pretend there is something that you're actually hitting. If you have a bag, that's even awesome, that's even more awesome. Hook, uppercut. Let's put all three together. 1, 2, 3, 4. All four together, my bad, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to move those hips with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice when you do pivot the hips and you do shoot from the hip, you'll feel that core activating, okay? The torque of those abs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get more benefit to it, right? So really focus on that core. Here we go. Excellent. All right, you guys, I think we got the 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Let's put it into a combo. Actually, no, let's throw in the kick this time, okay? Because I'm gonna add a kick to one of these combos. So again, if the right leg, or if your left leg's in front, we're gonna do mid kick with the right leg right here. Again, if you have a bag, awesome. So you're gonna pivot the front leg for that kick. Throw that same arm back and bring it back, okay? So nice light pivot of the foot. Keep it as low as you need to. Keep it as small as you need to so you get the technique down, okay? You don't have to do it 0 to 100. Here we go. Mid kick. Good. Light on those feet. Bring it from behind, come back. Light on those feet. Knees are always soft. Core is always ready. Bop. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. And let's go ahead and put that into a combo. So what I've got for you is a 1, 2, 3 mid kick, okay? 1, 2, 3 mid kick. So right, left, left. No, sorry. Left, right, if your left leg's in front. Here we go. Left, right. Bring it back, okay? Give it a little bit more speed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bring it back. And feel free to switch directions too, because you know, if you are, hopefully you never have to actually fight somebody, but you're always moving around, right? You're always moving around. You don't want to stay in one stationary spot because you're expected. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bring it back. Good, move around. Stay swift, stay sharp. Keep that core nice and strong. 1, 2, 3. Nice, good, remember to throw that arm, it helps momentum. 1, 2, 3. Use those hips, move those hips. 1, 2, 3. Good, okay, give me some scissors. Shake it up. One combo down. Can't speak words today, guys, I'm so sorry. Shake it off, here we go. Give me those scissors. All right, next combo. This one's fun. Kind of similar to the kicks we did in the warm-up, right? Where you're kind of switching feet before you kick. Same drill, but we're gonna do the knee. So let's just do that first. You're gonna take that left foot, put it behind you. Bring that left foot forward. So left foot comes behind you, right foot steps forward slightly, and you drive that left knee. Notice driving with, again, what? You guessed it, the hips. So drive with the hip, okay? Left leg forward, back, forward, up, okay? And step back the same way. Left back, right forward, left leg up. Watch my feet one more time. Back, forward, knee, step down, step back. Back, forward, knee, step down, step back. Back, forward, just like that, da, da. Ready? 1, 2. Let's do 4 more right here. There we go. Last 2. Feel those abs, feel the push of the hip. Last one. All right, do you feel pretty good about those? Let's throw that into the mix, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead, once again, bring that left foot forward. That's your good leg. And we're gonna start with the 2, 3. It's gonna go 2, 3, 2. So we're gonna start with the right arm, add the left, add the right, and then you're gonna switch those feet right here. Step, knee. All right, let's go. 2, 3, 2, bop, bop, step, back. Simple, you got this, here we go. 2, 3, 2, pop, pop. Now speed up as much as you like. If you've got this down, speed it up. Let's go. Move around. Keep it interesting. Keep it swift. Yeah, again, move that hip up. 2, 3, 2. You'll notice my back leans a little bit because I got the balance of that bottom leg right here. Again, I'm throwing that arm back just to give me some more momentum. It's gonna be more balanced as well. 2, 3, 2. Let's do 4 more of that combo right here. 2, 3, 2. All in the hips, all in that core, more than you think. Here we go. 2, 3, 2. Hell yeah, you got it. 2 more reps, here we go. 2, 3, 2. If you have a bag, try this on the bag. It's way harder in the best ways. Here we go. 2, 3, 2. Last rep right here. 2, 3, 2. Oh yeah, I bet that body feels so good right now. Last combo. Let's break it up with our scissors right here. Let on those feet. Let's cover our face. Good. So I always say, across all boxing, you want to keep your face protected. So you're always protecting in case a punch comes at you, right? So you always keep your hands at the ready. Get out of the way. All right. Good stuff, guys. Okay. Last combo. We're gonna throw those rolls in there. So remember these guys, right? Getting out of the way. We're gonna do a 1, 1, 2, roll, roll again, 3, 4. So you're rolling, you're going 1, let me show you from this side right here. 1, 1, 2, get down again, and now you have momentum for the 3 and the 4, okay? So notice that position that you end in helps the momentum for that next punch, okay? So 1, 1, 2, roll, roll, pa, pa, okay? Let's feel it out. Let's do 3 more reps at that speed right here. 1, 1, 2, roll, roll, hook, uppercut. 2 more reps, just like that. I'll go from this side again. 1, 1, 2, roll, roll, hook, uppercut. Last one, let's go. 1, 1, 2, roll, roll. All right, how do those feel? You want to speed them up a bit? Let's make them a little faster. Let's go. 1, 1, 2. That's it, move around, let's go. 1, 1, 2, get out of the way, get out of the way. There we go, there we go. Couple more reps here. 1, 1, 2, down, down. Move those hips, don't forget those hips. Don't forget that core, really feel that core work. And here we go. 1, 1, 2, down, down. There we go. 2 more times, right here. 1, 1, 2, down, down. You got this, last one, nice and strong. 1, 1, 2. All right, you guys, give me that scissor. We just got a couple minutes left, so let's do a fun little finisher. Okay, basically gonna do a whole bunch of knee kicks on each side. We're gonna rep it out so you really get the feeling of what that should feel like in those knee drives, and you get their heart rate up. And then we're gonna finish with a 1, 2 fast feet. 1, 2 fast feet. All right, so first thing, we're going right here. We're gonna do the switch kick. So we're gonna do both legs, right here. Join me, let's go. Starting here, here's 1, 2, 3. Good, you got it. Here's 5, we got 5 more right here. That's it. 2, 1. Good, shake it off, shake it off. And the fun part about this, you don't really have to switch feet for the right leg. You just have to go right here. Okay, so just bring it from behind. Like that, let's go. Up. Starting right now, we got 10. Good, push the hip forward. Throw that arm back. 8, move the hip. 7, good. 6, 5, feel that core. 3, nice. 2, and 1. All right, how those hips feeling? All right, 1, 2 fast feet. So we're going right here. 1, 2. Fast feet for 10 fast feet. Here we go. We're gonna do this for 45 seconds. You guys, that's all we have left, 45 seconds. You ready? 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2. 10. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Good, let's go. 1, 2. Fast feet. You got this. We got another 25 seconds. 1, 2. Good, move it around. Good, 1, 2. Almost there, 1, 2. That's it, let's go. All right, you guys. Last 15 seconds. Just punch it out right here. Just punch it out, light on those feet. We're doing the 1-2s with that footwork. Let's go. Finish it strong. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo, inhale those arms overhead. And exhale those arms relaxed. Come down, inhale. Woo. Let it out. Good job, you guys. That was excellent. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something and that you don't have to use it in real life, but I hope you got a really good workout out of it. And I'll see you at the next workout. Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below and we'll see you there.